Hi, I'm Mike Nightingale, president of Voyten Electric and Electronics based out of Franklin, Pennsylvania. We are a third-generation family business started by my grandfather after World War II. Please take the time to look at the video and see what we can do to help you with any of your electrical needs.
Voyten offers all manufacturers from ABB to Westinghouse.
Our team here at Voyten Electric handles all jobs from little overload heaters to customized switchgear and all components in between.
Voyten Electric offers molded and insulated case circuit breakers from all major manufacturers. While our specialty is in reconditioned, obsolete, and vintage circuit breakers, we also supply new and surplus current production molded and insulated case breakers as well. All reconditioned circuit breakers provided by Voyten Electric are tested and rebuilt to the original manufacturer specifications and carry a comprehensive 1-year warranty. Additionally, Voyten Electric offers a free evaluation of repair on any molded or insulated case circuit breaker.
Voyten Electric Switchgear Shop is a 10,000 square foot building. We build matching lineups, standalone units, and special fabrication projects. We stock copper and aluminum for those quick bus bar jobs. Our inventory consists of low voltages and medium voltage switchgear, switches, contactors, and all the manufacturers and voltages. We also carry all the components that go with the switchgear. We recondition units are built to original manufacturer standards and offer a 1-year warranty on all reconditioned products.
Voyten Electric's Breaker Shop offers a full recondition and testing on low and medium voltage air and vacuum breakers from 480 volt to 38 kV. We can offer original trip systems, or we can retrofit the breakers with the most recent technology in overcurrent protection and arc flash protection. We can supply spare breakers from our large inventory or repair your existing breakers. We offer a free test and inspection on all incoming breakers, and we will advise the necessary steps needed to return the breakers back to working order. All breakers are rebuilt, adjusted, and tested to original manufacturer specifications. All reconditioned breakers come with a 1-year warranty.
At Voyten Electric, we offer a large selection of obsolete and current production mechanical and solid-state relays. We have obsolete and current production breaker trip units available that are tested in-house. We also have a large selection of analog and digital current production and obsolete metering available. All reconditioned and surplus equipment sold through Voyten Electric have a 1-year warranty. We are here for our customers with a 24/7, 365 live emergency services at 1-800-458-4001.
I take care of the low voltage starters and contactors here. We have a very large variety. I have pretty much any manufacturer. We have new, used, reconditioned. Anything that you can imagine, we probably have in a starter and contactor in the low voltage. You send us a part number, we can probably locate it and find it, or if you send us a picture, we'll be able to identify it.
Our engineering department can help you with your unique design requirements. This can include door replacements to entire switchgear upgrades.
We can also help with breaker retrofits, switchgear transition sections, and CAD drawings. Additionally, we can also offer custom switchgear for training and testing purposes.
We have a completely redesigned website. It was built with convenience in mind. Simply start typing your part number in the search box and the results start cascading down. Then click the one you want for additional information. For added convenience, we offer an advanced search option featuring part number, keyword, category, subcategory, and manufacturer search options. If you don't see what you are looking for, give us a call.
Voyten Electric offers easy online ordering for most in-stock items. Simply type the part number in the search bar and then select the quantity that is needed, and then click Add to Cart, followed by shipping address and credit card information.
Most items in our inventory can ship same day or after a brief lead time. If you need something sooner than the quoted lead time, contact your Voyten sales rep and we'll do our best to accommodate your needs.
If you want to learn more about us here at Voyten Electric, there's a couple of websites you can go to. Voyten.com, you would go there to see the complete products and some of our history, and then VoytenElectric.com is for our online services.
For questions, concerns, inquiries, you can email us at info@voyten.com or contact our sales team at sales@voyten.com.
You can send all mail correspondence to P.O. Box 361, Franklin, PA 16323. For an evaluation of repair, send that to 173 Voyten Boulevard, Polk, PA 16342. And our Reno warehouse location is 1535 Allegheny Boulevard, and that's in Reno, PA 16343. please feel free to contact us at 800-458-4001.